What is up, kings and queens? My name is Himanshu. I am someone who plays with social media a lot. Which internet platform I should be in? Which social platform I should be in? Let's give you a whole blueprint on this. All types of contents are divided only in three parts. Number 1, educational contents. Number 2, entertainment based contents. Number 3, lifestyle, vlog style based contents. For all content creators, two platforms are must. Number 1, Instagram. Number 2, Facebook. Let's dive into this. Why? Yes, you heard it right. Instagram and Facebook are two general portfolios of content creators. They are not just photo sharing and video sharing platforms. They can be used to share your works, share your thoughts, share your ideas, etc. In short, with the help of infographics, videos, and posts, you can create contents for your products, for your services, etc. Best thing about Instagram is 300 million people usually watch stories daily. That's approx 1 by 3 of the total people on that app. Or these platforms can be used in sharing videos, memes, etc. if you are an entertainment based content creator, or sharing your lifestyle, etc. if you are a traveler, a tourist spot, etc. And the best thing about Instagram is it allows you to post the same post in Facebook and Tumblr. Third platform, Pinterest. It is not the best, but the bestest of the all. The best thing is when you create a post, you can add images and description and link to the pin. Pin is actually a post, and if you make a Pinterest business account, your YouTube account and your Instagram page will be safe though, because if you make a Pinterest business account, it asks you to claim your YouTube account and your Instagram page, so that no one can fake your YouTube channel and Instagram page on Pinterest. The third one, that is YouTube obviously. This is the only platform which is well organized, well maintained, and have cleanest algorithm of the all social media platforms in internet today. It is the only platform that is best for every content creator, be it an educational content creator or a makeup artist, because it acts like a search engine so that your videos can be seen by the other people after years too. But as if we take Facebook and Instagram into account, their post can be seen only few days after we post it. After that, it get lost. But in YouTube, people search the topic and will rank there. And the best fact about YouTube is you don't have to search for brands and other companies to join with you as a brand partner program. But YouTube only gives you money monthly based on the number of views you get and the CPM, so you don't have to find brands and affiliates to work with. Now let's dive into two trendy platforms. These two platforms are specially for entertainment content creators only, not for educational content creators. They are TikTok and Snapchat. They are the best platform and portfolios for the entertainment based content creators. And the best thing is, it is not as tough as getting followers in Instagram and getting subscribers in YouTube. And the other fact is, it can be used to redirect your TikTok viewers to your YouTube channel, to your other links, to your external links, and to your Instagram page too, by just only bio in your profile. These two platforms I don't recommend to educational content creators, because people purposely use these apps only for humorous content only. So you will not find any clients there related to that, related to your services, products, etc. So that's actually not good idea. Next platform is only for those who love to write. Medium and Tumblr. Yes, they are best platform for bloggers. Not everyone is good at speaking in front of camera, but have infinite ideas to share with, pics, infographics, then can use it for sure. Now a specific platform which is a must for educational content creators, that is LinkedIn. This platform is not only best for content creators but for normal people too, because this platform is actually a technical portfolio of your work. This platform is actually a best portfolio for educational content creators of certain niches. Plus point is, only genuine people will be there and the genuine companies that are actually qualified. If you have some sort of skills, you have some sort of certificates, then show them, post pics of them, upload details about your work, etc. Note, it's okay to be in one platform but not okay to be in wrong platform, because then your content will be only trash for that platform. Till now, we talked about basics of the social platforms, but if you want to know the detail, then just hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell, because from the next video onwards, we will go in detail with each of these. And please give your honest feedback in comment section and like it if you really liked it. Till the next video, keep smiling. because it's free. And thanks for watching.